Hello everyone, welcome today. In this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 1st, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku. I continue with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. And this one will be a number 1, 2, 6, 8. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, and I think there are 26. The previous one has 27. 1-star Sudoku, so the 2-star Sudoku, I think 26. So let me count. We have 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Plus 5 is 20, 24, 26. Yes, correct. So let's get started. How about the number? This is my alarm. Alright, add the 9 in this row and 9 in that row. The same with the 4 in this row, 4 in that row. That means in the row, in that row, the two numbers 9 and 4 should be in these two boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. The other two numbers are left for the numbers 8 and 5. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. Alright. Yeah, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the column and in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, those are 8 and 5. These 2 should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this row, so no 2 and a 1 in those 2 boxes, so the 2 and the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. That means the other 2 numbers should be the numbers 8 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be the 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Then how about the number? These 3 numbers in the last column should be the 2, the 1, and the 5. 2, 1, 5. I cannot fill this yet. How about 2, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, and 6? Yes. These three numbers in the third row, those numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 6. We see here a 5, so no 5 there. We see a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So one digit left should be the 2. Here we have the 6 and the 5 are left. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. How about these three numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark them for you. I cannot place this directly. How about these two numbers in the second column? Those numbers are the 3 and the 7. Let me mark them again. A pair. The other two numbers should be the 5 and the 8. Or 8 and the 5. Again a pair. Alright. So, we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 7 goes there. Three numbers left. The 1 is missing in this big square. The 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I cannot place this at this moment, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then. I think no. I need, how about these three numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4 in this big square. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are missing now. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. These three numbers should be the 2, the 3, and the 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 7. Here we have the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. then these two boxes in this column, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Yes. Three and 4. How about the other numbers? We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those two boxes, so the 3 should be in one of those two boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 2. Two boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 9. 9 we have 8, 7, 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two numbers in that column, the 2 is missing, and the 8 we have. The 7 is missing. 2 and 7. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 7. How about the 6 in this row, the last row? 6 in that row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square, 2 and a 7. This should be the 9 and the 4. 9, 4, 9, 4, 3, 4. Okay. These two numbers, 5 and the 1 is missing. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two numbers, missing numbers, the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now I have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 5. Double 2. It's a mistake. It's not the 8 and the 2. It's the 8 and the 8 and the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. Oh. Made a mistake. 8 and the 9. 8 and a 9. 1. This is 1. The 1 and the 5 is correct. Yeah, because we have 1 and a 5. So now we have a 5 here. So this is correct. This cannot be 5. 8 and a 5. We have 8 here. So this should be the 8. Yes, and this should be the 9. Yes. Wow. A mistake, you can make it so easier. It's easier to make a mistake, yes. So now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3. This should be a 7, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7, and this should be the 2. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Quicker than the previous one, but made a mistake. A small mistake, but I have corrected on time. You like this Sudoku? Me too. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you dislike it. And don't forget to download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third Sudoku, a 3 stars Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.